So, since we're stuck in quarters, Audrey's decided to do a taste test of some Japanese Kit Kat bars that Andrew found at the exchange. So, do you want to give them a try?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Which one do you want to start with? That one?
Mm-hmm.
The ice cream Kit Kat bar?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Give it a try.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think?
Tastes like vanilla ice cream.
Tastes like vanilla ice cream? Really?
Mm-hmm.
Is it yummy? So you like that one?
Mm-hmm.
Does it get 1 thumbs up or 2 thumbs up? 2! Awesome. Okay. Now which one do you want to try next? This one, which is the strawberry Kit Kat bar. Okay. Give it a go. What do you think?
I don't know what it tastes like, but I don't like it.
Does it taste like a strawberry?
Kind of, but there's something else with it.
Not your favorite? Okay. And last but not least, dark chocolate Kit Kat bar.
Mm-hmm. Tastes like chocolate
It tastes like chocolate?
and tastes good.
So, 2 thumbs up.
Mm-hmm.
Which one do you like better? Which is your favorite? This one, the ice cream Kit Kat bar,
And this one.
and the dark chocolate Kit Kat bar? Okay. We have 2 winners and 1 not so great one.
Mm-hmm.
Kitty, wave bye.